In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen and webcam at the same time on Loom 2026. First, open Loom and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Video to begin setting up your recording. This takes you to the recording panel where you choose how you want to capture your content. Now select the Screen plus Camera option. This is the key setting that lets Loom record your screen while also showing your face in a small camera bubble. It's perfect for walkthroughs, tutorials, demos, or any moment where your explanation matters just as much as what's on screen. Next, set up your camera and microphone. Pick the webcam you want to use and select the microphone that gives you the clearest sound. You'll see a small preview of your camera bubble. Drag it to a corner that won't cover important buttons or text, usually the bottom right or bottom left. If you see an on-screen audio meter, make sure it moves when you speak. A quick tip, wearing headphones can help reduce echo, and closing extra apps helps performance. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Loom will prompt you to choose what to capture, your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Choose entire screen if you plan to switch between programs. Choose a window or tab for a cleaner, more focused tutorial. After you make your selection, click Share to confirm. You'll get a short countdown and then you're recording. Your screen and webcam are being captured at the same time. You can drag the camera bubble to reposition it anytime, and depending on your settings, you can highlight clicks or even draw on screen to emphasize key areas. Speak clearly, pause briefly while switching windows, and move your camera bubble if it ever blocks something you're explaining. When you're finished, click Stop. Loom will automatically upload your video and open it in your workspace. There's nothing extra you need to do to save. Your recording is already stored online. To share your video, copy the Loom link and send it to your team, clients, or audience. If needed, double-check the video's privacy settings to control who can view it. You can also make quick edits right in Loom. Trim the beginning, end, or any mistakes in the middle to tighten your message. Add captions to make it accessible and easier to follow without sound. Then give your video a clear title and a helpful description so viewers know what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your screen and webcam together on Loom, shared it with a simple link, and polished it with a few quick edits.